Hello, in this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to put a proposal through on the PIVX network. Not only am I going to show you how to put in a proposal, I'm going to show you how to put in the best proposal possible. We're going to look at things like starting a pre-proposal, putting your proposal on chain, monitoring your proposal, promoting your proposal, and giving feedback to the community and to the masternode owners after your proposal has hopefully passed. Now, the interesting thing about this series is that it's going to be being recorded alongside putting in a proposal. So I'm going to putting in a proposal about this series of videos so that this series of videos is actually funded, or maybe not if the proposal fails, but we're going to go on the process together, and it's going to create a series of tutorials so that hopefully when you have a great idea to do something for PIVX or perhaps any other DAO that also uses the masternode system, you can follow this tutorial or this set of tutorials and you can know exactly what you're doing. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.